Hello students, today we will start the exercise on solid mensurations, surface areas and volumes. So our topic is chapter surface area and volumes. In these chapters we will do some exercise only. Whatever the formula we have understand in mensuration chapters, you can see the chapters in playlist. After viewing the chapters, when you learn the formulas, you have to use the formulas in exercise. So to grasp that formulas, we will do some questions in these chapters, in this exercise, in these lectures. Okay, so start. I will write the questions not fully. I will write the questions to understanding the topics. Okay, here is a top this way, and you want to paint it. So where you to paint it? This here you paint it, there you have to paint it. Okay, it is given that this one is 3.5 centimeter, and also the height of the total top is given 5 centimeter. So your question is that entire top you have to coloring. So find the area you have to color on this top. Okay, so what is the questions? We have to find the total area. Total area we have to find. Now you can see the area of this and area of this, you have to add it. So total surface area equal to surface area of hemisphere plus total surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of this cone. Curved surface area of cone. So now you can use the formula curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. And what is the radius here? It is diameter, so radius is 3.5 upon 2. And now the curved surface area you have to find of this cone. And what is the formula of the curved surface area of the cone? That is pi r l. So it is r and it is l. So pi r l. This r is same. And first you have to find the length of all. And you can see this one is total 5. And what about this height? This height is 5 minus this radius 3.5. Okay, this one is total height is 5. So this height is 5 minus, let is h, that is 5 minus 3.5 upon 2. This total is radius and this is equal to 3.5 upon 2. So this way you will first find height. Okay, and solving this we will get here 3.25. Understand this. Now what is the L? L equal to under root h square plus r square. Using this value of h and L, you will get here that h is here. What is h? 5 minus this 3.25. So h square is 3.25 square plus this is the r, that is 3.5 upon 2 square. And using this you can calculate it, that is approx is 3.7. Now this calculation you have to do yourself, otherwise you cannot do the complete calculation in the examinations. So square this, add this and get the under root and find yourself what is the answer here. Now you can take the common here, that is pi r. So here is 2 into r plus L, and now using the formula here you can find the solution. Value of the pi is 22 upon 7, and we can see radius is 3.5 by 2, and 2 into radius here is again 3.5 by 2, and what we have to find the L, that is 3.7. Now using mod mass you can calculate it and you can get the answer, that is 39.6. And what is the unit? These all are in centimeter and this is curved surface area, so unit is centimeter square. So calculation is depend on you have to calculate. Okay, you have to understand the questions from where we are using the formula. Okay, I am doing these all the questions to understand how you can do all the tough questions. Okay, so go through the next questions. Now if here is a block of cuboid is given, let here is a cuboid is given this way. That here is a cube is given, and this side of the cube is 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Length and breadth and height are given 5 centimeter. And let here is a, you have hemisphere on the top, surmounted the top, and diameter of this hemisphere is given, that is 4.2 centimeter. Now the question is, these all surface you have to paint it. So from where you have to paint it? Can you find out? So you have to find out the first total surface area. Total surface area. Now you can see in this figure. Don't write the total surface area, what you have to learn in the formula. You will to check here and then use it. Now total surface area of this cube is, that is 6 into side square. But we can see this circle we have to remove it. So that is pi r square. This you have to minus. Now this here you have to paint it. So this curved surface, that is 2 pi r square, you have to add it. Semi curved surface of hemisphere, right? So you can see here 6 into 5 square minus pi r square, and that is total is plus pi r square. So you can calculate it, 150 plus pi into, now radius is 4.2 is given here, so 4.2 upon 2 square, that is the diameter upon 2. So you can solve these questions very quickly in this manner, right? So student, you can get the solutions, that is 150, and using here 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 2.1. After getting the calculation of this, you can calculate yourself. Now the total area, it will be 163.86 centimeter square. So I am telling you, you have to check for total surface. The all formula of total surface of the solid what is given in the formulas, you have to fit it here. What are the total surface you are looking here? This side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, but you have to minus this circle and you have to add this surface. So this way you can do the questions. Okay. Now again I am telling you some more questions, and you have to check the carefully. Let here is a rocket, and this way this cone, and the cone here, this is the base of the cone, and the cone is surmounted on this shape of the cylinder. Now this is your cylinder. So now cone is surmounted by on this cylinder. Now you have to find out the paint of this rocket. Where you have to paint it? There paint, this ring paint, this paint plus this paint. So this painting and this painting and this painting, this painting will be total surface. The total surface where you have to paint it, that is curved surface of cone plus area of this ring plus curved surface of the cylinder plus area of the base. Now if the value is given, so what is the value is given? Let for examples, the value is given here. Total height is 26 centimeter. Okay, and this height is given, let it is 6 centimeter. Okay, and now this ring, this inside radius, this outside radius, and this rings is given this way. The outside radius, and let this one is outside diameter, and diameter is given 5 centimeter outside, and inside diameter is given 3 centimeter. Let this diameter is given 3 centimeter. Okay, so the radius of outside is 5/2, radius of inside is 3/2. Now height of this cylinder is 26 minus 6, that is 20. Okay, so now if you want to find the L, this is 6 and this one is your outside radius 5/2. Okay, so now total surface equal to, first add this pi r l. R will be used, this radius, that is 5/2. Now this is L, this is L. Okay, now area of this ring, that is pi, and outer radius is 5/2 square and inner radius is 3/2 square. Right, area of ring, and this one is area of right. Now plus curved surface of this cylinder, that is 2 into pi, and what is the radius here? This one, that is 3/2, and height is 26 minus 6 equal to 20, 2 pi rh. Okay, into 20 plus area of this ring, that is pi r/2 square, that is r is 3/2 square. Now what is the value of L? L equal to under root this height 6 square plus this radius 5/2 square. Now using this L here, and we can add this total, then we can find the answer. Okay, so using this value of L, now you can solve yourself, that is now we can check here the again calculation. We can see is pi 3/2 square is minus and this is plus, so this is a cancel. This is the benefit for you. Okay, now this pi r square, this pi r l plus this, you have to cancel out this minus here, right? So what is the left here? So after taking the common pi, we can put the value this way. What is this? 2.5 into what is the L? From there we can calculate. L is 6.5. Calculate this, you will get 6.5. The calculation is depend on you. Okay. Now this pi is common. What is left here? 5 by 2 square. Okay, minus 3 by 2 square. Okay, plus 3 by 2 square, and this is cancel here, and now plus pi have common, this 2 is cancel. So what we left here, that is 3 into 20, and that is calculations we can calculate. Let it is plus this 2 is cancelled, 60. Now you can add this way. Now you can solve this total value. You can find the total area. Okay. Now this total area you can paint it. Now if you are asking the questions that here you have to paint the different color and here you have to paint the different color, so you can get the answer this differently and answer this different way. Okay. If you are asking the questions that you have to paint here of different color, what is the area of this, and if you have to paint the different color of what is the area of this, so you have to tell the area separately. Okay, right? So according to questions you have to write your answers. So we will discuss some more questions. To understand the topic we will discuss here for different way. Okay, what are the questions? Your questions, you read first carefully, draw the diagram, and then you use the formula. We are discussing here now some more questions we will discuss here. Let here is a tub. Let we are saying this way. Let here is a hemisphere and you have to fill the water in this, and this tub is on a stand that is a cylinder type. This tub is fitted on this stand. Okay, this is the cylinder type. So now the question is if it is given that this radius of this one is let 30 centimeter, radius of this hemisphere is 30 centimeter, and allowed let the total height of this cylinder is 1.45 centimeter. Okay. देखो the height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter. So on the shape you have to first check this always unit, it is meter or it is centimeter. So what is the centimeter, what is the meter here, you can check the unit always, right? Now the question is that it is a bird bath in a garden, the shape of cylinder and with a hemispherical depression at one end, hemical depression on one end. The height of the cylinder is given 1.45 meter and radius of hemisphere is 30 centimeter. You have to find the total surface area of the bird bath. Total surface area. Now we have to find the total surface area. So you can see the total surface area is this curved surface plus this. Okay, total surface area. Means if you want to paint it, surface area means you can understand the paint it. This one plus this one. This you have to paint it, isn't it? And this you have to paint it, right? So the radius of this 30 centimeter, also the radius of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. So you can say the total surface area, curved surface of cylinder plus curved surface of hemisphere, right? Curved surface of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. R is same, so we are writing together here. Now you can take the common 2 pi r and h plus r. Now using this separately, you can calculate what is the total surface. Okay, now radius is 30 centimeter, h is 145 centimeter and radius is 30 centimeter. So now you can calculate is near about in meter, in centimeter it will be 3300 centimeter square, and you can change also in meter, 3.3 meter square. Now where you have to paint? Here to paint, here to paint. So this is the total surface area. So here you have not painted, it is open. Okay, outer side you have to paint it. So this one plus this one, outer side from here and outer side from here. So in figure you have to draw such type of the figure, and then you can understand the questions carefully. Now student, we go to some more questions. Let some more examples we have to discuss here. Now student, let us we have a figure this way. Here is a cuboid shape, and on this we have a cylindrical shape. Okay, so student, we have to understand carefully this type of the figure. Now this shape is, you can see the height of the cylinder is this, but it is a half cylinder, right? It is a half semicircle. Let here is 7 meter, let this one is 15 meter, and let here is 8 meter. So now the question is, this machines, let here is an industry, this type of the shade you have to use here. Okay, as it is given in the figure, base is given 7 meter and 15 meter, height of the shade, the cubitical portion is 8 meter, right? So you have to find the volume of the air that the shade can hold. what is the volume of this shade that can hold. Okay, and it is given total space of 300 meter cube. If there are 20 workers also given, each of them occupy about 0.08 meter cube space on an average, then how much air is in the shade? Now listen the questions again. Find the volume of the air that the shade can hold. First question, find the volume of the shade can hold. Now what will the volume? That is the cubical volume plus this cylindrical volume. Okay, volume of air, that is LBH, volume of cuboid, plus half volume of cylinder. Cylinder of volume is pi r square h. Okay, now what is the LBH? What is given LBH? 15 into 7 into 8. Okay, so 15 into 7 into 8, half. Now pi is 22 upon 7. Now what is the radius? Radius is half of this, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 square. And now what is the height? Height of the cylinder is 15. So now this total is the volume of air. Okay, now you can calculate the volume of air, 1128.75 meter cube. Okay, so this way, using the cuboid and cylinder, half cylinder, why half cylinder? It is the half. Okay, so this way you can calculate the volume of total in this shade. Now total space occupied by the machinery is 300 meter cube. In the shade there will be machinery, that here is a machinery, and this way this machinery occupied 300 meter cube. So what is the left volume? What is the left volume? That is the 1128 minus volume of this machinery. Okay, and now total space occupied by the workers, that is 20 workers. If one worker is occupied 0.08 meter cube, okay, then the left volume of the air, now we can see here, let here is a machinery. Okay, volume of machinery equal to it given, let 300, and volume of one worker, that here is a worker, volume of worker is also given, that is given 0.08, and volume of, let there are 20 workers, this way there are 20 workers. Okay, so volume of 20 worker is 20 into 0.08, okay, equal to 1.6 meter cube, and this meter cube. So what is the left air? Left air is this minus this minus this. Okay, so volume of actual air is total volume minus machinery volumes minus workers volume. Okay, so we get actual air in the shade is 827.15 meter cube. Student, you have to understand the question's language. Okay, if you don't understand the language, then you cannot able to do the questions. So we understand this question. Now we will get more examples. Okay, that a juice seller was serving his customer using glass as shown in figure. He used this type of the glass. He used the juice here. Okay, now you can see, understand this topic. So diameter of the cylinder glass is let it is given 5 centimeter. Bottom of the glass had hemispherical raised portions which reduce the total capacity. The total cylinder minus this volume, the volume of the juice, isn't it? Okay, so volume of juice or capacity of glass, that is the volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. So now the height of the hemisphere is given. Let height of the hemisphere is 10 centimeter. Height of the glass, let it is 10 centimeter. Okay, so now find out it. Volume of cylinder, that is the pi. R is 5 by 2 square into h. H is 10 centimeter. Now volume of hemisphere is half of hemisphere, means 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay student, so this way you can now solve these questions. Now using the value of this you can solve this question. That you can take the common. 5 by 2 square, you can take the common, that is 10 minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 2. After solving this using let pi equal to 3.14, so you can get a lump sum 163.54 centimeter cube. This way you have to understand the figures. I am always saying you have to understand the figure. Okay, now we will discuss some more questions here. Let a toy is given in this form of a hemispherical surmounted by a right circular cone. Let here is a hemisphere and here is a cone. The height of the cone is let 2 centimeter. Height of the cone is 2 centimeter and the diameter of the base is 4 centimeter and this diameter is 4 centimeter, right? Dia is 4 centimeter. Determine the volume of the toy if the right circular cylinder circumscribe the toy. Let a right circular cylinder circumscribe the toy this way. Okay, find the difference of the volumes of the cylinder and the toy. So this is the difference, volume of the cylinders and toy cylinders. Okay, so difference of cylinder, difference equal to cylinder volume minus volume of toy, right? So cylinder volume is pi r square. What is the r here? 4 by 2 square. What is the height here? This one is 2 and this one is also 2, so total height is 4. 2 plus 2. Okay, now volume of the toy. volume of the toy is volume of cone 1 by 3 pi, r is here 2, and h, what is the h here, also 2, plus volume of hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi, r is 2. Okay, so 2 cube. Now you can calculate this very carefully. Okay, so using value of pi equal to 3.14, you can calculate after taking the sum common. Okay, it will be 20.512 centimeter cube. So you have to understand the topic first, then do the questions. Okay, now we will do more questions in the next video, so you have to wait for the next video. Okay, and this will be the part 1, and we will do the next in part 2, because in one video we cannot solve so many questions, so you have to wait for the next video for more questions. Okay, student, thank you.